Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Ninja Blast not working. So, if you're having some problems here with your Ninja Blast, and generally speaking here, it's not blending, it's not working, well, there are a few things that you may need to keep in mind here. Now, the thing with the Ninja Blast here, it's obviously a great blender here, it's very portable, but there are a few things that you need to consider. Now, when you're using your blender here, you want to make sure that you do not overfill your blender. Now, in this case, if it's overfilled, this will actually hinder the insides of it to start blending. Again, it's overfilled; it can't move. So maybe like fill it halfway. So maybe this around this area here, just not over full. But yeah, go ahead and try that and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you may want to consider here is your battery. Now, this may not be obvious. Now, you may see an orange light on your blender here. It means that it's low in battery or in charge. So you may want to plug it into electrical source first or charge it for about 20 minutes. And once 20 minutes is up, you can go and try using it again and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so if none of this actually works, there might be some hardware problem on your blender here. It's actually a direct thing here. So you may want to consult or reach out to Ninja support and see if they can actually help you. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.